All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. Out here actually in Ohio. Day 3 here on this 32 by 48. And you can see this has a 6-foot porch running 48. But in this video, I want to share with you, just chronicle this video, chronicle this pole building right here. Kind of show you a few highlights, how we do business. But also kind of let you see the builders in action. Again, day 3. And watch these guys go out of here. This is a crew of 5, okay? But you see the guys right up there. Now that's a dual pitch porch there. See what they're doing? They're connecting that right up there. But I kind of want to give you an idea of the speed, the efficiency, not so much speed, but the efficiency of what these guys can do. And they all have their roles and what they're doing. So you can see over here, this gentleman's obviously putting on the wainscot. And we got the crew leader, obviously always thinking ahead of what's next and so forth. So you can see right here, 32 by 48, 6 by 48. But let's take a little quicker look here. Again, 40-year steel. You can see that's white steel, black trim, classic look. Matches the house on the property here. We're in a setting, a quasi-residential neighborhood. But again, 40-year guaranteed steel, paint, chalk, fade, white, black trim. Then you can see the vented soffit right there. You can see the vented soffit. Let me get a little closer here so you can see how that is. And again, what vented soffit does, obviously, it allows air to go up there, breathe. Stops the condensation. You can see the ceiling right there. Again, ceiling. You have a multitude of ceiling choices. White, gray, tan. You can see this is a beautiful white ceiling right here. And we'll wrap these posts as well. So this is going to be a sharp looking building here. 3-foot section of wainscot. Probably will be able to see it right over here. See that black 3-foot section of wainscot. You can see. And we'll clean up this job. This crew moves quick, but definitely, it's not so much doing the job, but we'll get this thing cleaned up. It may look a little rough right now, but we'll get this thing cleaned up. But you can see here, 3-foot wainscot. Gentleman right here. Checking that out. And then, if we go in the building here, 3-ply laminated columns. Chose that over 4x6 or 6x6. Again, that's subject, again, 32 by 48. You're getting into the width of probably, you probably want to consider a 3-ply. Again, it's a little bit more than a 6x6. And according to Purdue University, 30% stronger. You can see there's a pressure point right there. So that pressure point 1, boom. Pressure point 2, and then also a pressure point 3. But what it is glued, laminated together, yellow pine, 2x6. And as you can see here, it's a straight piece of lumber. You have a 4x6 or 6x6 treated application. And that's known in years past. That can warp, that can twist, and that can cause issues with your building. You can see we put the house wrap on there. Again, for a nominal cost, we definitely recommend that. Keeps the building tight, keeps the elements out, and so forth. You can see our double top beam header up there. See how we do that? And again, in Ohio, there's a lot of wind. I'm sure wherever you live, there's wind everywhere. But you see we put the hurricane ties right up there on the trusses, and we set them. These trusses are 4 foot on center, so they're 4 foot on center. And we don't notch them in the post. I know you see some of these builders, 8 foot, 9 foot, 10 foot, 11, 12. You can design anything to work. And again, our truss plan and our engineering, but we feel like 4 foot, you just get a little bit more lumber than an 8 foot, 9 foot, 10 foot, 11 foot. So 4 foot on center truss spacing, it just allows just more lumber, allows the building to be tied in better. And then on this building right here, vapor barrier. Again, you get that vented soffit, it's gonna run right up there. The vapor barrier is gonna act as a moisture control for this. So you can see, nice building, grid windows. Again, we use a silver line window in Anderson, a little bit higher quality window. And again, that helps out with the insulation properties as well. Use an El Cheapo window. You know, you're gonna have some water, or you're not gonna have water, but you're gonna have air coming into the building. So use a little bit higher quality window, like an Anderson. And there's other ones out there too. Like an Anderson silver line right there, as you can see. But that keeps the building, you know, obviously the clear windows gives it that aesthetic look, but from a functional value, it helps with the insulation. And then also the steel door here. This is a Masonite Therma-Tru door. And then when you use a little bit better door, steel door, not aluminum door, again, you're cutting down the rust factor, but using a steel door. And with this steel door, again, helps with the insulation, the properties of the building, keeps it tighter. And so that kind of gives you an idea of what's going on around here. And then I'll step back. I'll give you kind of a corner view look of this building. But this way it can be done, 32 by 48. Again, running 6 by 48, the full length of the building. You can see what he's doing here. And then, you know, in this video, I'm not gonna make it that much longer here, but you know, these guys might be done. But day 3, early in the morning here, about 10 o'clock in the morning, but these guys are getting after it. Again, a crew of 5 here, day 3, 32 by 48, 6 by 48. And you can see the progress that they're making here. So classic building in Ohio. And for more information, feel free to visit our website, atticalumber.com. And, you know, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll keep on rolling. All right, until next one, keep it locked loaded right here, atticalumber.com.